Celebrate Kwanzaa with stunning interior design tips, vibrant color palette. Use the traditional Kwanzaa colors of red, black and green in textiles, table settings, and wall art. Kinara display. Create a special space for the kinara and surround it with other Kwanzaa symbols like corn and the unity cup. African textiles. Use traditional African textiles like kente or mudcloth for table runners, placemats or wall hangings. Smart lighting. Program smart lights to dim during the candle lighting ceremony or flash with Kwanzaa songs. Fruit and corn centerpiece. Create a centerpiece using fruits and corn to represent the first fruits of the harvest and community. Cultural wall art. Swap out regular art for pieces that reflect African heritage or Kwanzaa principles, like paintings or masks. Handmade crafts. Incorporate handmade crafts like woven baskets or beaded ornaments, aligning with the Kwanzaa principle of Kumba, creativity. Interactive elements. Add tech-based interactive elements like a digital Kwanzaa storybook or voice-activated playlist. Scented atmosphere. Use earthy or spicy scents like cinnamon, sandalwood, or frankincense in candles or diffusers for a cozy atmosphere. DIY Kwanzaa flags. Make your own Kwanzaa flags or banners in traditional colors and hang them for added festivity. Like, share, and follow DES Design Labs. Thank you.